Welcome back to Maintenance for Dummies. So this one today is the resident said that the dishwasher isn't draining. You can see this water. And she said that the garbage disposal will not come on. So as you can see, yep. So whenever you run across a problem like that, the reason why the dishwasher isn't draining.
So the dishwasher isn't draining because the garbage disposal is clogged. So the first thing we need to do is hit the reset button. There's always going to be a reset button, a white, red button at the bottom of this garbage disposal. And you can do this two ways. There's a key that you stick down here in the middle, right here. I don't know if you can see that well, but right here, you stick your alley key in there and you crank on that to loosen up and free the mechanism, the motor inside of this garbage disposal. But we're going to do it from the top today because we have this key.
Okay.
Get that down up in there. And
That's it. It's free.
And now it's free. Some new garbage disposal tools still free.
Right. So now the dishwasher will be able to drain. So we're gonna water is now gone. Disposal is now draining. Good to go.